Timing chain replacement cost. Here's what to know. The timing chain is a component of machinery that joins the camshaft and crankshaft of an engine. The placement of the piston can be used to control the engine valves opening and closing. A damaged timing chain might lead to problems with your car. So, how much does it cost to replace this timing chain? Welcome to today's video where we're delving into a topic every car owner should be aware of: timing chain replacement cost. Let's jump right in. Timing chain replacement cost. Unfortunately, repairing a timing chain is not practicable. It's a crucial part that wears out too quickly to be fixed. The cost of replacing a timing chain typically ranges between $1,600 and $1,800 if it is done by a professional. If you choose to replace it yourself, it will cost between $600 and $800. It will cost around $650 to replace a timing chain yourself. However, this is a job that should be performed by someone who is well versed in car maintenance. Parts for the majority of cars typically cost under $20. On the other hand, labor costs can be much higher. This range is based on national averages for all vehicles and excludes taxes, fees, and your individual make and model. Are you finding this video helpful? If so, don't forget to show your support by hitting that subscribe button. Stay connected for more automotive insights. Now, let's continue. What factors affect timing chain replacement cost? 1. Make and model. Most older vehicles use timing belts rather than timing chains. As a result, the age of your vehicle is frequently ignored. However, the cost of the parts will always be determined by the make and model. 2. Labor. The work that must be done is the most significant aspect of replacing a timing chain. However, this is very dependent on the type of vehicle you own and the year it was manufactured. Some models make it simple to access the timing chain. Some require disassembling the engine and lifting it out as a whole. 3. Replacement parts. In rare cases, you may only need to replace the timing chain. However, in rare circumstances, the entire timing assembly must be replaced. In fact, it could be a good idea to do that since you can't always tell what went wrong with the timing chain. This is especially true since the cost of parts is frequently far lower than the cost of labor. How often should you replace a timing chain? Unless there is a specific issue, the timing chain typically needs to be replaced between 80,000 and 120,000 miles. In automobiles with higher mileage, chain problems are frequent. When operating an older vehicle or one with nearly 100,000 miles on the odometer, it is advised to watch out for timing chain failure or bad chain symptoms. So, there you have it, the essential information you need to know about timing chain replacement costs. If you've gained valuable insights from this video, consider liking and subscribing for more automotive knowledge. Thanks for tuning in.